continue and have them earn money. This is very important. I used to tell my wife, why don't you construct a beautiful resort like Ranthambore Forest or Kaziranga, Jim Corbin. She said, I was begging the government not to do anything here because the tigers are so peaceful in these tiger reserves that the tourists should not come and disturb cities. We have such beautiful reserves. Now, did I speak against the tourism?
No, not at all. Well, so long as you keep that distance, right, I think you can do both tourism and sustainability. As Minister Singh pointed out, and I didn't realize he's an absolute encyclopedia of Hindi cinema, he really wants you...
First Indian movie was Raja Ali.
That's good. This is more than 95 years, yeah.
It's been 110 years.
Right.
Well, yes.
1930.
Yeah.
and he wants you, I mean, I think he's seen you moving your legs. The only other person who could do it was Shami Kapoor. So I guess you played a cop last time. You have to do the Nandu in Kashmir now. That's what he wants. So I think let's hope that happens soon.
Sure, sir. It was absolutely. It's my honor.
But anyway, it has to be said, I mean, as a person, besides the fact that you travel for work and have shot across the world and in India as well, you travel a lot for leisure. You actually collect artifacts from places you go to. Where does that passion come from?
God, I don't know where this comes from. Because I'm not much into the art or the artifacts, but something that is meaningful and something that connects me to that city. When I go back, I usually collect something and it makes me remember of that country. And Europe has always been my favorite country. Now Japan has become my new favorite country. The culture, the people, it is a special country. I'll tell you why. Japan, when we went to promote RRR in Japan,
it's huge in Japan.
It was huge. We did about 150 million in Japan, and I thank the Japanese audience. They are so warm. And it's in Japan. Why it's so special to me is my wife is carrying right now. She's in her 7th month, and the magic happened in Japan. So I will never forget Japan, and of course, to all the other G20 friends in the countries of India, each one are so special to India, the relationship with India, and especially film tourism. We all want to go and shoot in every country. All the countries are so rich in their culture, and we as Indian actors and Indian film, we want to explore our culture and their culture. I want to see how these two cultures can come together and create a phenomenon, which is a global cinema, not Indian cinema or any other country's cinema. I want to see a global cinema, and with all your support, I think it can happen.
You know, as Mr. Kant also said, I mean, Indian cinema is also one of the ways that Indians have accessed the world, right? And we've seen those places we wanted to go there. To quote some recent examples, you can think of Turkey. A lot of people want to go to Turkey after they saw Turkey in the Jarakmito, right? And a lot of Indians went to London in the 90s after they saw Dal Lake. Everybody wanted to be there, right? Which is the same thing as how everyone wanted to go to Goa after Dil Chahta Hai. Other examples from your films where they've seen this and that's the country they want to go to, or films that you've seen and because you've seen them, that's the country you want to go to?
Come to India. Please. This is, India is so vast and it's so untapped. I don't know, a lot of people, Mr. Kishan Reddy, my Honorable Minister, has educated us about the vastness of India, from the Thar Desert and the east and the mountains, which is so vast. And the south, we have the beautiful culture, the God's own country, the Kerala backwaters. There is so many. I think I want to explore India more. I don't think I want to travel for my next couple of films, unless the producer and the director is from Hollywood. I want to stick to my culture, I want to stick here, and I want to educate that our Indian sentiments are so strong, our culture is so strong. There is a lot of dignity in our stories. Nowadays when you see, it's not about South India, North Indian movies, it's about the Indian Miftika story. Our Desi stories are coming out finally, and show that the other countries, when they see what is good, why should I go to an Indian cinema theatre? Why should I see an Indian cinema? Not to see what they've already experienced, they want to see what is India. And today our lovely directors are showing what is India on the silver screen.
Which you have. And I think it might be fair to suggest that even without going to those countries, cinema is a great way for us to travel through our eyes. You don't need a passport, you don't need a plane ticket, you certainly don't need a visa. You can just watch a film and think that you've been to that country and that you will return. And even cinemas play that role hugely, right? Now, one of the things is that, which a lot of people don't realize, is how many films we make in a year. And that it's not just films that are made in Mumbai. There are films made in Chennai, there are films made in Bangla, in Kolkata, there are films made down, in the industry that you belong to, which is also the industry, which is also the city where Mr. Reddy is from. Tell us a little more about the cinema that comes from Hyderabad. That's another face that you are of and have been for many years. Firstly, how is Indian mainstream cinema different from other cinemas? And how is cinema that comes from Hyderabad different from other mainstream cinemas in India?
That's a very intense question.
We have the time in the world.
No, but I don't know if I have the knowledge to answer that.
Okay. You have all the experience.
Yeah, I try to say
Yes.
what I have from my experience. There are much better people, legends who can talk about this and give the right answer. This is one industry that has paid my EMIs, which I grew up in, paid my bills, made me who I am, made my dad who he is, and the great legends we have in our country. It was for a long time not recognized as an industry, but today it is a film industry. And thank God it is. And this film industry is something. It is the best form of entertainment in India, which can make you forget of all the worries. Because India with 1.8 billion people, we have 1.8 billion problems. These films we make in India, sometimes people don't connect in the West. They're like, why are they dancing? Why are they fighting? Why are they dancing so much? But this is our culture. Every film industry, every country makes movies according to their culture. If you see Norwegian movies, Scandinavian movies, they are so beautiful. It's all about the green. It's about the ecosystem. And they're protecting the ocean, protecting the vast land. And the West, you have some serious films, the critical films, critically acclaimed. In India, when you're happy, you dance in my house. When you're sad, you dance. When you're not wondering what do I do, I still dance. So dance and song and dance is part of our culture. And that comes into the movie, fortunately or unfortunately, and we Indians love it. And aesthetically, when you show it in a nice way, I think the whole world will love it. And that is an example why RRR was loved and why Natu Natu got the best song in the Academy.
I have to say, for someone watching cinema from Hyderabad from a distance, I live in Mumbai, one of the things that intrigues me is the star system as well, right? For instance, when I say Ram Charan, that's great, but I think if I said mega power star, everyone will get it. Your father, the great Chiranjeevi, is called the mega star. Your uncle, Pawan Kajan, is called the power star. So you become the mega power star. Firstly, tell me, where do these names come from? How are these decided? Is there a committee that decides, okay, now we've got the mega and power because father and uncle?
Not at all. It comes from the love of people, and it comes from the fans who love us, and it's because of them we are all sitting there and enjoying this life. And they have different ways of calling us. Sometimes they say Anna, they say Bhai to Salman, to my dad they say Chiru, megastar. It's all coming when you are bringing with lots of emotions, and the volcanic reaction comes. They just have a way to call you. That's it. It's just coming from the love of the audience.
And you know, you've also grown up with that love, watching the world around you, love your father so much. Chiranjeevi, Kiru as fans also call him, and megastar as well. Is it tough to be so listless? I mean, we talk about, you know, nepotism and blah, but it's actually tougher when you have to live up to something so huge. It's hard to grow up under a banyan tree usually. Was that tough for you, or is it still tough for you? Ram?
It was very difficult as a child because I could not get out of my house when I wanted. I could not sneak out of my house. I could not sneak out in the night,
Right.
go with my friends. So that's difficult.
Okay.
Apart from that,
Everyone knows you. There's a guy saw you there.
there's so many people in the house, you just cannot sneak out of your house.
Okay.
Take your dad's car and drive it in the roads.
Right.